Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy with our weekly analysis, and we are back, guys. So what happens this week? This week, what happened last week? We had predicted a correction. I was like, I won't sell this shit. Just buy it. It's gonna rise. And everyone was like, he's insane. So Alhamdulillah, I'm happy being insane. So what happens now? Now that is the topic. This is so far a correction, unless on the daily chart. We have this high. Unless this closes above it, we cannot argue that this is somehow bullish. When it happens, it happens. It may happen. So, but unless it happens, I can't say it will happen. In trading, IM are more of reactors than actors. We do not initiate an action. We just react to the market movers' actions. So we are reactors. So let's get rid of all of this and see this again. Let's begin with the monthly chart. We have a month close, and before it was looking like if we close below this, we were like it's gonna go down like shit. But that didn't happen. So now where are we? So in a monthly chart, we have a very confused picture. So we will ignore it. It's neither bullish nor bearish. It's a confusing. So weekly chart, simple correction. You can see here we came here. It's supposed to be a correction. A correction has happened. So let's go to the daily chart. Now, let's get some help from Wyckoff. That dude spent a lot of time trading. So, where did that go? Oh no, I'm back. Yep, here we go. See, VPOC is still up there. I can't argue that we may be somehow bullish yet. No. So, what I would like to see, my prediction is this. My analysis is this that, according to Wyckoff terminology, most of you guys won't know it because nowadays all we have is the SMC bullshit. Not bullshit, but for me it's bullshit. So what we have here is this. And this we got a preliminary stop after following this area. Then we've had a selling climax where sellers went as far as they could. And now we have a test of the high of the preliminary stop. This is called an automatic rally. We've got an automatic rally. So what I would like to see, and I would anticipate, is that if we want a correction, because accumulation occurs, but we have December ahead of us. December can be very volatile. So, but what I would like is something like this, and this. But this may also happen. Keep an eye. Be very careful. This may also happen. It has this low, this row, then this row, and like this. So when we break turn 6-0 into support at any given time, remember my words. When we turn 1.060 into support area, when we turn this resistance into a support, be ready for a very big move of 2 to 300 pips. Why am I calling it a? Because it will be sudden. That's why I'm calling it a big move. So be careful with that. So let's go on low time frames, see some confirmations, and so on 4 hours you can see clearly we broke the support, we turned it into resistance, we came back, we turned that resistance area into support. So on low time frames, if I sold here, I would take my profits here and be on the lookout on what to do next. So I would be very careful here because we are at a resistance area and we were supposed to correct and we did correct, but a lot of correction is due in my calculations. A lot of correction is due. This is not enough. But because when we have smaller corrections, the problem with them is that the trend may continue. They are enough sometimes. So be very careful with this. So that's trade. I would like to trade it like a range. Let's go to into range trading. I would sell here. I would buy here, and if this breaks, I would buy here, sell here, similar, just just like that. I would continue, but it may come to, from what I gather, it may happen something like this. Yep. Let's get rid of this also. This aside, it may happen like this. We may get a double top on the 4 hour, but as always, double tops only happen when they happen. If they don't happen, that's just pure speculation. No, no substantial facts behind them. So, yep, we may get this. We get a double bottom, double top. Sorry, we get a double top. We touch this low area, then we get something like this. Then we come here back up on the range. So we may see what from what I gather, we may see a lot of consolidation in the coming days. That's my speculation. So let's draw a range from the preliminary stop area. Yep. Yep. As long as this area holds, this is support. 530, 520 holds, we keep on buying. We are currently bullish on lower time frames. Just to be clear, we are bullish on lower time frames. But according to higher time frames, I would like to be careful, so I would treat it as a range. But if it turns 6-0 into a support area, and as I'm saying again and again, if it turns 6-0 into a support area, we may get a very big bullish move. So guys, be very careful with that. Unless that happens, with trading, we don't jump to conclusions. Unless that happens, we will trade it like a range. That's why we use stop losses because we can't anticipate. We just have to react with the logic we have. This area is a resistance. It rejected once, it rejected twice, it rejected thrice, it rejected the price 4 times for now. Okay, so it's a major resistance for now. So if this breaks, we will get a major move. If this rejects, we will come back down. So just be careful with that, guys. But currently we are bullish on low time frames. So let's be careful. Let's turn these arrows into something green. Yep. So the guys can feel a bit of happiness in their lives. A lot of that nowadays, with especially with inflation high up in the skies. Yeah. So guys, take care. See you next week. We'll be back with IFX Academy analysis.